Today, we're learning 25 common idiomatic expressions and phrases you can use every single day. Let's go! We're in the same boat. Meaning, we're in the same difficult situation.
I just moved here last week, and I still get lost everywhere.
Same here. I can't even find the nearest grocery store.
Glad I'm not the only one.
Yeah, we're in the same boat.
Tell me about it. Meaning, I strongly agree. I have experienced that too.
I'm soaked and my umbrella's useless.
Tell me about it. The wind flipped mine inside out.
What a miserable day.
Totally. Can't wait to get home. You can say that again. Meaning, I completely agree with what you just said.
It's freezing today.
You can say that again. I can't feel my hands.
Why didn't I bring gloves?
Same here. I'm dying.
I'm in the middle of something. Meaning, I am currently busy and cannot be interrupted.
Hey, Dad, want to go grab some ice cream?
Not now. I'm in the middle of something.
Oh, mowing the lawn again?
Yep, almost done. Give me 10 minutes.
All right, I'll wait on the porch.
I have a lot on my plate. Meaning, I have many responsibilities or tasks to deal with.
Hey, can you help me clean the garage today?
I'd love to, but I have a lot on my plate right now.
Really? What's keeping you busy?
Laundry, cooking, and finishing some online errands.
Okay, just let me know when you're done.
What's eating you? Meaning, what is bothering or upsetting you?
You look upset. What's eating you?
Oh, nothing. Just some family stuff.
You can talk to me if you want.
Thanks. Maybe later.
Don't get me wrong. Meaning, don't misunderstand my intentions.
You've been spending a lot of time with your new coworkers lately.
Yeah, they're fun to hang out with. Why?
Don't get me wrong. I think it's great you're making new friends.
But...
I just miss our movie nights. That's all.
I get it. Let's plan one this weekend.
I'll keep that in mind. Meaning, I will remember that information for future reference.
Remember, don't mix your white clothes with colored ones.
Right. I'll keep that in mind.
Or you'll end up with pink shirts again.
Yeah, not my best moment.
That's not my cup of tea. Meaning, that is not something I like or am interested in.
Let's go watch a soccer match this weekend.
That's not my cup of tea.
Oh? What do you like then?
I'd rather go to a concert. I couldn't agree more. Meaning, I absolutely agree with you.
That movie was amazing!
I couldn't agree more. The ending was perfect.
And the music. So emotional.
I'm totally watching it again.
Break a leg. Meaning, good luck.
I'm a little nervous about my interview today.
You'll be fine. Break a leg.
Thanks. I've been practicing my answers all night.
That's the spirit. Just stay confident and smile.
I'm feeling under the weather. Meaning, I am feeling slightly ill.
Hey, still in bed? You didn't go to work?
Nah, I'm feeling under the weather.
Oh no, get some rest.
It's just a bit of fever. I'll be okay.
Want some tea? I can make you some.
Thanks. That's sweet of you.
I don't buy it. Meaning, I don't believe that explanation or story. Did you hear? Ben said he met a celebrity yesterday.
Really? I don't buy it.
Yeah, sounds made up, right?
Totally. Ben loves exaggerating.
Spill the beans. Meaning, tell me the secret.
You've been smiling all day. What's going on?
Nothing. It's a secret.
Oh, come on! Spill the beans!
Fine. I got tickets to our favorite band's concert.
No way! That's awesome!
Hit the sack. Meaning, go to bed.
I can't focus anymore.
Same. I'm going to hit the sack.
Good idea. We'll continue tomorrow.
Night.
That rings a bell. Meaning, that sounds familiar.
Do you know a guy named Kevin Lee?
That rings a bell. Did he go to our school?
Yeah, he was in our class last year.
Oh, right! The tall one.
It's a piece of cake. Meaning, it is very easy.
So, how was your first time driving alone?
Honestly, it was a piece of cake.
No way! I was terrified my first time.
I guess I just stayed calm and followed the rules.
Hang in there. Meaning, don't give up or keep going.
I'm so tired of this project.
I know, but hang in there. You're almost done.
Thanks. I needed that. Whew.
Don't give up. You can do it.
It slipped my mind. Meaning, I completely forgot about it.
Hey, did you call Sarah yesterday? It was her birthday.
Oh no, it totally slipped my mind.
Don't worry, you can still text her today.
Yeah, I'll do that right now. Thanks for reminding me. It costs an arm and a leg, meaning it is very expensive.
Wow, is that the new model?
Yeah, but it cost an arm and a leg.
Ouch. Worth it though?
Definitely. The camera's amazing.
Let's call it a day, meaning let's stop working or studying for now.
Whew. We've been painting this wall for hours.
Yeah, my arms are so sore.
Same here. Let's call it a day and finish tomorrow.
Good idea. It's time to clean up and rest.
Fingers crossed, meaning I am hoping for the best outcome.
Our team's playing the final today.
Wow, big day! Think they'll win?
I hope so. They've been training a lot.
Fingers crossed. Let's cheer for them. Keep your chin up. Meaning, don't lose hope or stay positive.
I didn't make the team.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I practiced so hard, but I guess it wasn't enough.
Hey, don't be too hard on yourself. Keep your chin up, okay?
Thanks. Maybe next time I'll do better.
It's not a big deal, meaning it's not serious or not a problem.
I spilled coffee on your notes.
Oh, it's not a big deal. I have the file saved.
Really? You're so calm.
Happens all the time.
Go with the flow, meaning let's see what happens and enjoy it.
So, what's the plan for tomorrow?
I don't know yet. Maybe we'll visit the beach or just hang out in town.
No fixed schedule?
Nah, let's just go with the flow and see where the day takes us.
I like that. No stress, just fun.